Hi, my name is Suchismita Dey. I'm currently working as service engineer at Zawa Mines, and prior to this I was in Kayad Mines since 2018. My journey started as the first lady service engineer at site in Normet. So I joined Normet on 5th September 2018, and since then everything has changed. Like being the first lady service engineer in Normet, I've been invited to various platforms to speak on women empowerment, and through that I could inspire so many underprivileged women who now aspire to be financially independent like me, and I take absolute pride on that. Normet has provided trainings according to company requirements like L0, L2, L3, Smart Care project module, which has helped me roll out the Smart Care project smoothly at site, and I hope to continue with the same. Personal commitment and personal satisfaction that comes from knowing that you're contributing to something positive that is enhancing your professional skills, and reputation of the company, key leaders is somewhat keeps me coming to the work. Growth.